Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. And this is the very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is so So this is the page of CBTS and it's a hiring for associate software engineer for Chennai location. So let's talking about this job description. So as an associate engineer, you will be design, develop and install high quality and innovative software solution in the compliance with a coding standard and the technical design. So let's talking about the essential functions. So execute full life cycle software development by writing well designed, testable and efficient code. Produce specification and determine operational feasibility. Integrate software component into the full functional software system. Document and maintain software functionality. Tailor and deploy a software tool, document and metrics. And those who have a 4 year of college result or a bachelor resulting or in a bachelor's degree of equivalent can apply. Any professional certification preferred can apply. 0 to 2 year of experience can apply. And working knowledge of design interactive application, excellent knowledge of relational database SQL etc, excellent knowledge of test driven development, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about these. Moving to the next job is coming from Canonical and it's a hiring for cloud support associate engineer uh, for Chennai location. So this role is opportunity for hands-on experience with the passion of Linux and cloud technology to build a career with the Canonical and support the technical needs of customer leveraging and open source products. So let's talking about this what you'll do. So work from your remote home office and provide a technical support to the employee. Be available in take ownership and new cases of telephonic, email and web. Act in the internal customer associate, keeping in them update to timely manner and ensure that is support in owned by the handle of according to the service level. And all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's or equivalent or 4 year of technical or from a equivalent college or university, perfect able majors computer science, MS, MIS, electrical engineering etc can apply. Experience with Linux troubleshooting and experience with Linux and server administration, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just now, so once you scroll down, so this page will open. So you have to just fill all this form and after that you have to submit the application. So this is the very simple process. You can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Anthology Anthology Careers and it's a hiring for associate software engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about the responsibilities. So designing and implementing solution for the areas of the application owned by the team, taking ownership of the team product area running in the production, learning and applying a new system design and responsibility, resolving production and issue with the defect solution and owned by the team. And all these things you have to know. And those who have a 0 to 2 year of experience of developing software and team environment can apply. Experience with server side technology such as .NET Core, ASP.NET, MCV and VB.NET. Experience with front-end libraries and frameworks such as React, and all these things you have to know. And fluency in written and spoken English, and degree in computer science related or relevant years of experience can apply. Experience with CSS, Java, HTML and experience with C Sharp, VB.NET, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Explore and it's hiring for software engineer Python or Java for Bangalore locations. Let's talking about this. So we are seeking a motivated Python or Java engineer with a strong proficiency of Python or Java application with a particular emphasis of building product and design and large currency of idea. Candidates should have a 2 to 3 years of experience in working with Java, Python. So let's talking about the responsibilities. So collaborate with the other engineers to design, develop and deploy scalable microservice using Java or Python. Collaborate with other engineers to create, develop and sustain efficient, reusable and robust code. Build software modules, database schemes and automated test and focus on high concurrency, and ensure optimal performance, quality and responsible for application, and troubleshoot, debug and upgrade existing system. And all these things you have to know, and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply for the job, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 4 job for software engineer job. So if you are looking for these job roles, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye and be happy.